Introducing G-Holds Working from Home Kit, including G-Hold tablet holder, ergonomic home hangs, phone holder and stand, and stretch guides. Firstly, position the screen with the top at eyebrow level. Then mark above with a pencil. For a no-nails convenient hook solution, we recommend 3M's medium wire toggle hooks. Command tape is entirely removable later and can hold 2 pounds in weight. The velour pad is thin enough to fit under a case, but I'm placing it on the back of the case so I don't need to take the case off when using the G-Hold or the home hang. It's flexible enough to bend with a kickstand and strong enough for the weight of a laptop. Here I'm using an iPad case with a removable cover and I'm pressing it into place. And I'll quickly check the camera position. One home hang will hold a laptop, but for added security we suggest 2. This places your screen at the optimum height for your posture, whilst leaving space in your desk for your wireless keyboard and your other items. When you're using a Microsoft Surface Pro, use the kickstand on the back to adjust screen position. So for busy working home lives, you can use all the devices you need for productivity, flexibility, presentation and postural health without taking up the space and the time you need for the things that really matter. Whether you're creating at your desk or standing up tall, G-Hold's new Working from Home Kit is the ultimate solution as you work, play, learn and create, while G-Hold takes care of you.